Hello friends, today's recipe is that of hot and sweet chicken wings. These are absolutely delicious and you can make them easily. So start with making the marinade, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you add about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, or you can add a little more if you want it really hot. Then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Just mix all of these to form a nice marinade, and we're going to drop the chicken wings into that. Before you do this, make sure the chicken wings are dry and they don't have too much moisture in them. Okay, and then just mix it using your hands so that each of the chicken wing is coated nicely with this marinade. And let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. That way, all the marinade kind of gets into the chicken well. Now for baking, preheat an oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and have a baking tray lined with foil and also grease it well. And then just place the chicken wings separately onto the tray and bake it for about 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, while the chicken is baking, we make the sauce. So that's 1/3 cup of coconut aminos, or you can also use tamari. And then I add 1/4 cup of lemon juice, but you can also add orange juice. Then I add fresh ginger, grated ginger or chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon. You can add 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Then about half a teaspoon of red chili powder again, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and finally 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Now mix everything and just heat it for about 7 to 8 minutes or so until it gets a little bit thicker. When you add the honey, because of the honey, and once it thickens up, once it evaporates a little bit, it'll thicken up a little bit, and then just keep it aside. Now our chicken has been baking for about 25 minutes, so get it out, and then we are going to add the sauce or pour the sauce over it. Now you can do it 2 ways. The way that I'm doing, just on the sheet itself, just kind of add it over it and then flip it and again add some more so that there's sauce on all the sides. Or you can also take these chicken wings out and in another bowl mix it with the sauce and then again add it back onto the tray. I just find it easier to do it this way. So I pour the sauce, then flip them over and then again add some more sauce so that the chicken has this sweet and spicy sauce that we made, on both its sides, both the sides of it. And then we are going to bake it again at a lower temperature. This is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit now for about 10 minutes. Halfway through it, for about 5 minutes, you can flip them over. And your chicken wings is ready here. You just add some more extra sauce that we made before over it so that these are really nice and sticky and hot and sweet. Perfect. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.